This is not a promotional video. So, hello friends, myself Rakesh Kumar, serving as a operator and a constable in BSF. So, newly I started working in IT field just 7 8 months before. So, at starting, I just found it very difficult to catch up with the technology. And as you all know, that in today's in time, there is a critical role of technology and AI in the IT field. So, uh, I tried my most of to catch up with it, but I hardly capable of doing the thing with ease, that much ease. I just used to show some YouTube videos to learn something, but it doesn't very helpful to be honest. So at last I joined MCyberSecurity Academy course online, and trust me, it is very useful to me, and now I work with more efficiently.